Hey, how you doing? So I am going to be wrapping my hair tonight. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching. And I'm getting ready to wrap my hair and make this really, really quick. So gonna comb or brush. I've already combed it. This is gonna be a really quick video because that's how quick you can wrap your hair, okay? You're just gonna take a part of it, a portion of it. You want to make sure it's flat as possible as you can get it. Sometimes it may take time to get it all the way flat, but if you use a paddle brush, it helps. It really, really helps. So just get that hair all the way around, right? Just like this. Just get it all the way around. All the way. Just keep going. Just keep going. Keep going all the way around, right? And once you get it to where it's not falling or falling as much, because you might have some to fall. But once you get it into the circular motion, you get the oil that you're going to seal with. I'm sealing with Sour Hair Care. And then I'm just going to take just a little. Well, it's kind of a lot. I don't need all of that, but I won't use all of it. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go around my hair with it, just like that. Why? Because I want to keep it silky. Why? Because I want to keep it moisturized. I want to keep it looking nice. So you do what you need to do, okay? We're just wrapping. And I'm glad that happened because that is something that happens when you're wrapping. You know, and then you just go ahead and let it, ooh, wrong way. And so this is what I wrap with. If you know, you know. And then you just wrap, okay. So I hope you had a good day today. I just wanted to come up here and wrap my hair tonight with you. Good night.